The Shabbos before Pesach is called Shabbos HaGodol, the great, big Shabbos. Why is it called that? Answers the Bnei Yisrael. It says in the Medrash that Bnei Yisrael kept the Shabbos in Egypt. Moshe Rabbeinu selected one day. He was able to get one day off for them from Paroi, and that was the Shabbos. He used to enjoy Shabbos just like we do. Sit and eat good foods, rest, learn. They observed the Shabbos. However, they did so as people who are not commanded to do so because the Torah wasn't given yet. In Kiddushin, Daf Lamed Aleph Amud Aleph, the Gemara teaches us a principle. Gadol ha-metzuva ve'oiseh, yoiseh mimi she'eino metzuva ve'oiseh. Who is greater? One who is commanded to do something and does, or someone who is not commanded to do something, yet he does. Says the Gemara, one who is commanded to do and he does, he performs whatever he was commanded to do, is greater. Why? Because he has a Yetzer Hara that comes to work. As soon as somebody tells you to do something, Yetzer Hara goes to work and says, you don't really want to do it, you don't really have to do it. A million excuses why you shouldn't do it. But one who is not commanded to do something doesn't have that internal fight, doesn't have the Yetzer Hara trying to prevent him from doing it. So who is greater? One who is commanded to do something and yet he does it. That Shabbos was a special Shabbos. The 10th of Nisan fell on Shabbos that year. And God commanded them to take a lamb for Korban Pesach. In order to do that, you got to violate Shabbos. But they were keeping Shabbos as people who are not commanded to keep Shabbos. Torah wasn't given yet. Yet, they had to take the lamb because they are commanded to do so. So, what should you do? You got to take the lamb. Gadol ha-metzuva ve'oiseh, it is greater to be commanded to do something than not to be commanded and to do it. Therefore, they took the lamb like HaKadosh Baruch Hu commanded them, and they didn't observe that Shabbos. Because they learned that principle of Gadol ha-metzuva ve'oiseh. Greater is the one who is commanded to do something and does, more than one who does it, is not commanded to do something and does. They learned it that Shabbos. That's why it's called the Shabbos HaGodol, alluding to that principle that starts with Gadol. Gadol, great is the one who is commanded to do something and does. They were commanded to take the lamb and they did. They weren't commanded to observe the Shabbos, and therefore taking the lamb overrides keeping Shabbos.